Clean finger.
Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Okay guys, so this powder has been going viral everywhere. It's the She Glam Insta Ready Under Eye Setting Powder Duo. So let's give it a test because you never know. There's also a lot of hype on the internet. We want to make sure that this is gonna do what it says. Really nice compact packaging actually. So I have put two lipstick marks here. Let's test how this works. I'm gonna put powder on one of them. Now that one smudges, obviously doesn't have the powder. And this one barely moves at all. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. If you're a powder girly, you know that you don't want your makeup moving, sliding around. So far it's passed the lipstick test. Let's apply it a little bit, see how it goes. I'm gonna dab it into your pores. Oh my God. Yes, yes. I love it. It has a brightening effect that I did not expect. It doesn't say or claim to have a brightening effect, but I really feel quite like lifted and snatched. Oh yeah, that looks really good. I'm surprised by this. I just thought this was going to be like some of the other powders, but no. Check it out, guys. She Glam Insta Ready powder, going viral for a reason. And yeah, I think this is my new beauty addiction. Mwah.